Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create and manage customer journey maps in HubSpot CRM. The first thing I would like you to do, of course, is to launch your HubSpot CRM web account, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on HubSpot? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice, and once you do that, locate the search bar of your browser. In the search bar, type HubSpot.com. That's going to take you to the official website for HubSpot. In the official website, check the top corner of your screen. You're going to find Get CRM button for free. Get CRM for free button, rather. Click on that. And go through the process to create your account or sign in using an existing account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in HubSpot. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's task, which is how to set up, create, and manage customer journey maps. So from this homepage, head to the top of your screen. You're going to find a couple tabs: contact, conversations, marketing, sales, commerce, service, automation, and reporting. Head over to the reporting tab. You're going to find an extended menu here: dashboard, reports, data management. Click on report. You're going to find the further extended menu, so click on my report. Now this is going to take you to your reports window. Now from this window, all you need to do is to check the top right corner and click on Create Report button, so that you can start creating your customer journey maps or the customer journey report. And from this template or from this window, go ahead and click on New Custom Report. Now, I'd like you to keep in mind that for you to create a new custom report where you're going to find the customer journey report, you need to subscribe to the Marketing Hub Professional. Okay, so once you subscribe to this and you get to this particular page, this is what you are going to find. First off, you create a report with Journey Analytics to view the impact of every interaction a contact has with your business and find out which touch points work best for attracting customers. Now, once you have created your report, I'm just going to take you through some steps. Okay, so this is it. So once you head over to reporting, report, my report, and create report, and you get create report, and after creating a custom report, it's going to take you to a window where you're going to find an option for you to click on customer journey reports. So once you click on customer journey reports, they're going to take you to a process where you need to select contact as, we need to select content or deals as the data source. So click on customer journey report and then click on contact as the data source. This is what it looks like. All right, so just walk you through the process. So from here, click on customer journey report. After clicking on create reports from scratch, then click on contact, and once you select contact, it's going to take you right here to this window. Now let me show you what the window is going to look like. Right, so once you click on contact, it's going to take you to a window, the window I showed you. Now in the right panel, select the checkbox to include anonymous visitors. If you want visitors, you want to do that. So if you want to include anonymous visitors, you can check that in the right panel. Now there are different stages, right, that are going to be displayed to you, and then you can move the stages. You're going to find stages, you're going to find timeline, so you can move a stage to a timeline. Right, so for the first stage, click and drag the steps. All right, the step pages visited as your first stage, so click and then you drag it to the timeline. This is what the timeline looks like, or timeline window looks like. I'm just going to show you. Right, so this is what it looks like. So there are steps in that window and their timeline. There's timeline. So here you're going to have a couple options for the stages that you can. So you can search the stages. I want to search, you just drag and drop to the timeline. So drag and drop to the timeline where you can now enter the stage and then the duration of the timeline. So that's what steps, timeline. So having gotten to that point, the next thing is, so first step should be pages visited in the steps. So drag it to the timeline and then click the breakdown by property icon you're going to find. All right, and then select the URL path. Now this will show you where visitors are going on your website, so go ahead and click on apply. So this breakdown property, all right, select that and click on apply. So the next is, all right, so the next is, that's the first stage is pages visited, and then the next step is, the second stage is, or the next step is form submission. So from the steps, go ahead and drag and drop, click form submission and then drag it to the timeline. All right, just to let you know if and where visitors are submitting forms. The next step is meetings book. So click on meetings book and then drag it to the timeline as your stage 3. So this is what it is. Take the step meetings book and then drag it to your timeline. So that's just what it's all about. And then the final stage could be the record created, or these ones are customized. So you can just choose it, the journey, choose the stages depending on what you are doing. It should be customized to suit your preference. So the final stage will be deal record created. So just click on it, drag and drop. Now, once you do that, that's just going to be it. You'll now be able to create and manage your journey maps, all right, in HubSpot. So that's pretty much the process. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.